there, it's Shauna of the Shauna Method, and I am here with a monthly habit to help you get and stay organized. And this habit is every month, clean out the refrigerator. Now, I'm not saying you can only do this once a month. I'm just suggesting you do it at least once a month. And it doesn't have to take that long. If you can't do it all at one time, you could say 1 week during the month, you'll focus on an area of the refrigerator. And this could also be the freezer as well. So for example, you take the first week of the month and you say, Mondays I'll look at the door, Tuesdays I'll look at the drawers, Wednesdays I'm going to look at what's on the shelves, etc. If you don't recognize it, it's a good idea to pitch it. Check expiration dates, which are a handy little thing telling you to get rid of it. And if you clear out some space, why not just wipe down a shelf or wipe out a drawer? Freezer is the same. If you can't recognize it, out it goes. Things can stay safe a long time in the freezer, but even the freezer has some limits. So if you have a bag of seafood that's been in your freezer for a year, it's time to let it go. Cleaning out your refrigerator and freezer on a monthly basis will not only help that space to function better, but it will help to keep you healthy as well.